Hey guys, it's Cameron from SparkPoint. In today's video, I'm going to be walking you through how to create a motion graphics template in Adobe After Effects that can be exported and then modified inside of Adobe Premiere Pro. So as an example, we'll be using a simple lower thirds animation I created in After Effects. The first thing you'll want to do in After Effects is open the Essential Graphics panel. To do this, you'll go to Window and click Essential Graphics. Once the panel is opened, you'll want to select the composition which you're wanting to turn into a template. Essential Graphics has a handy tool that allows you to quickly find out all of the properties that can be added to the template. All you have to do is click the Solo Supported Properties button. You'll see the layers in your timeline have now expanded, and all of the properties that can be manipulated are now listed under each layer. At this point, you'll want to decide all of the properties you want to be able to manipulate in your template. I've already decided what I want to add to my template, so I'll walk you through how I add them. This first layer is a null I created to be able to allow for the resizing and repositioning of the lower thirds title. All I have to do is take this scale property and simply drag it up to the Essential Graphics panel. You can see now that I have controls to scale this template in the Essential Graphics panel. I can also rename my property by double-clicking the name. I'll call this one Controller Scale. I'll go ahead and add the position property as well from the control layer. Next, I want to add my text. All I have to do is come here and drag the source text from each of my text layers. You'll notice with text, there is a button over here that says Edit Properties. This will give you some additional options specific to text. I usually check the first 3 boxes here. Next, I'll add a couple properties associated with my rectangle shape. I'll pull in the scale from this one, which will allow me to resize the shape based on the size of the name and title when I'm modifying this inside of Premiere. And I also want the ability to change the color of this shape, so I'll put in the color property as well. Once you've got all the properties in place, you'll want to name your template. Next, press the Export Motion Graphics Template button, click Browse to choose where you'd like to save your template file, and go ahead and click OK. You may get a warning message popping up if you've used a non-Adobe font. Go ahead and hit OK if that's the case. Next, let's open up Premiere to test out your template. Once inside Premiere, navigate to the Graphics workspace. You should see the Essential Graphics panel on the right here. To import your template, go ahead and click this little plus button down here in the right corner. Go ahead and navigate to the location your template is saved and click Open. You should now be able to see your template amongst the other standard templates here. Drag the template into your timeline, select the template in the timeline, and you can now edit your previously set parameters. And it's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Hit that bell to receive notifications the next time we got a great piece of content for you. See you next time.